Hi children, welcome to my class. I brought many interesting things in this session. Children, why are laughing? When did you come here? Do you know children? He is my brother. I invited him to this session because he wants to speak with you. Brother, share your feelings with our children. Okay. Hi children. This is Raghu. I am brother of Raju. He is my brother and he is my best friend also. We share our ideas. When we have a problem, we solve it together. We are always together and we will live together. We never quarrel. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. Thank you children. Oh wait children. Please subscribe this channel because our brother is making more videos for you. So don't forget, please subscribe and support to him. Okay brother, now you can go from here. Go children, go. I am going. Bye. Children, let us start the session. I will show the picture from the textbook. Picture please. Yes. Children, look at the picture. What is the place do you see in this picture? Very good. It is a village. What are they doing there? Yes. They are going somewhere. They are leaving their village. Why are they leaving their village? Very good children. First, observe the surroundings. There are two trees. The trees have no leaves. The trees have dried up. And observe here some gaps in the earth. Why did this happen? Water is not available there. Yes, good. I think there are no rains for years. There are no rains for years. So the trees have no leaves. The trees have dried up and some gaps in the earth. What happens if it does it rain? Yes, no water, no crops. What happens if the crops are not harvested? Good, no food, no water, no crops, no food. Observe here the bones of animals here because it died. And here children, some people are carrying bundle of cloths. A man is carrying a pot. Children sat in the cart and some people are carrying their belongings like furniture, pans, their things. And they are leaving their village. They want to live together and they are leaving their village together. They are leaving their village together because they want to live together. So our lesson is together we live. Our lesson is together we live. Children, finally I am saying trees are very important. Plants need to be grown if it to rain. So every child plant a sapling at your home. Don't forget children. Don't forget. Oh, it may rain. It may rain. Oh children, my brother came again. Tell some children, don't cut the trees. You will plant saplings at your home. Oh children, it is raining. Go. I will meet. Bye bye.